Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Today we're making some breakfast and we're making oatmeal porridge, Jamaican style. So continue watching, guys. So let me just give you guys a run through of all the ingredients. We're using 2 milk, evaporated and condensed milk. We're also using cinnamon powder, nutmeg, salt, and of course our oatmeal, and we're going to add a bit of vanilla and some sugar if needed. Okay, so tell me in the comment section, guys, are you enjoying Vlogmas so far? And just continue watch this one, watch to the end, drop me a comment, like the video, share and subscribe if you haven't. So catch you in day 6. Enjoy, guys.